If you are handling multiple projects at the same time and finding it difficult to stay organized, Jira can help you manage everything efficiently. In this beginner friendly guide, you will learn how to manage multiple projects in Jira step by step, even if you have zero experience. With the right approach, you can track progress, assign tasks, and stay in control of all your projects in one place. To get started, log into your Jira account and make sure each project is properly created. In Jira, every project has its own board, issues, and workflow. Keeping projects separate helps maintain clarity and avoids confusion. Next, use boards effectively. Each project will have its own board, such as a Kanban or Scrum board. You can switch between boards to view the status of tasks in each project. Make sure tasks are updated regularly so you always have accurate information. To manage all projects together, use dashboards. Go to the dashboard section and create a new dashboard. Add gadgets like assign tasks, activity streams, or filter results. This allows you to see updates from multiple projects in one place without opening each project individually. Filters are another powerful feature. You can create custom filters using JQL to pull tasks from multiple projects based on conditions like status, priority, or assignee. Save these filters and use them in dashboards for quick access. You should also use labels or components to categorize tasks across projects. This helps you organize work more efficiently and makes searching easier. Another useful feature is the backlog, especially in Scrum projects. You can prioritize tasks across different projects and plan work accordingly. This helps in better resource allocation and planning. Make sure to assign tasks clearly to team members and set deadlines. Good communication and regular updates are key to managing multiple projects successfully. In short, managing multiple projects in Jira involves organizing projects separately, using dashboards and filters to track everything together, and keeping tasks updated. Now that you understand the process, start applying these steps to manage multiple projects more effectively in Jira. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.